Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy analytics dashboards with Tableau, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Tableau desktop application. Ensure you have your data source ready for analysis. Connect to your data by selecting the appropriate connector. Once connected, explore your dataset to understand its structure. Drag and drop fields into the rows and columns shelves to create your initial visualization. Utilize the Show Me feature to explore different types of charts and graphs. Refine your visualizations by adding filters, parameters, and calculated fields. Create additional sheets to display different views of your data. Once satisfied with your visualizations, navigate to the Dashboard tab. Drag your sheets onto the dashboard workspace to combine them into one view. Customize the dashboard layout by resizing and arranging the visual components. Add interactivity by using actions, such as filtering or highlighting between views. Verify that all elements of your dashboard are functioning as intended. Next, prepare for deployment by setting up a Tableau server or Tableau Online account if you haven't already. Log into your Tableau server or Tableau Online environment. To publish your dashboard, select Server from the menu and then Publish Workbook. Choose the project destination within your server environment. Set permissions to control who can view or interact with your dashboard. Review your publishing options, ensuring that all data sources are included. Click Publish to deploy your dashboard to the chosen server. Once published, share the dashboard URL with your intended audience. Encourage feedback to continuously improve your analytical dashboards. Regularly update your data source as new information becomes available. Monitor user engagement and interaction to identify areas for enhancement. With these steps, you are now equipped to deploy effective analytics dashboards using Tableau. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.